Bioshhabram. I don't think YouTube got the whole intro, but it's whatever, right? It's whatever. What did I do? What last time? What? How much did I do? Mm-hmm. So I just did the first part. That's it. My brother, my brother. Where is it? Not biochemical analysis. Yes, we found them. So, vinyl chloride needed. The plant should operate at an hourly output of 20 cubic meters per hour vinyl chloride based on standard temperature pressure definition, assuming a yield of 95% for hydrochlorination. Acetylene, 95, okay. Determine the mass of calcium carbide required to be hydrolyzed per hour to reliably ensure the targeted output of vinyl chloride. Hydrolysis of calcium carbide process proceeds quantitatively. So one mole of gas is Tp. Steps quick math. Moles of vinyl chloride required 20 cubic meters. So we use ideal gas law. So it's volume by good. Explain on this term. It's a really important concept. Understanding it deeply makes gas-related problems. What does one mole gas at STP means? It should mean that one mole of ideal gas, when measured under standard, occupies a volume, okay, which is equal to every one mole of gas. So it's called the molar volume of ideal gas. Twenty cubic meter per hour STP. How do I share my screen? One mole of gas at STP. Now that's from STP. Molar volume fin ideal gas. (2.24 into 10 raised to minus 2 cubic meters per mole. One mole of ideal gas at STP occupies volume 22.414 liters. Volume number of moles equal. Okay, could you explain this formula? Could you explain what's this formula? Dude, if I'm doing like this, it's gonna take a lot of time. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes. Let's see how fast I can do in 15 minutes. RT by P. from ideal gas law, number of moles is volume by so it should be that's the number of moles. What's the question? I forgot. Oh no, it's here. I forgot the question. Uh, how do you proceed? How do you proceed? So account for 95% yield. Now more acetylene than product. So number of moles of acetylene required. Okay. So 892 moles per hour vinyl chloride is should be made. So 95% yield. So how much acetylene do we need? Yeah, what's the equation? Oh, it's all balanced. Okay, it's the same ratio. Okay. So metric ratio of vinyl chloride and acetylene. 1:1. So number of moles of C2H2 at 95% yield. $9.39. Mm-hmm. 939 mole per hour. That's how much moles of acetylene should be produced. The stoichiometric ratio cross mass of calcium chloride. Stoichiometric ratio between acetylene. The the gym raider. Crakathumb. It's Crakathumb. What's up, man? How you doing? Appreciate for checking out the stream. Acetylene. Stoichiometric ratio between acetylene. Whoa, 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 whoa. How you doing, bro? How's it going? And calcium carbide. Ah, it's calcium carbide. Yes. Calcium carbide. Yep. 1:1. Therefore, Number of moles of acetylene times molar mass of calcium carbide, that is. Calcium hydroxide is our well water. Okay. Uh, why would you say that calcium hydroxide is in our well water? Like, is it used as cleaning agent? Calcium carbide. Number of moles of required is, not gonna lie, yeah. I have to submit this assignment within 1 or 2 hours. God damn it. I am behind my schedule. Mole per hour times calcium carbide molar mass. No! What do you mean no? Like, are you talking about the calcium hydroxide, or what was it? 64. 64 mole, gram per mole. Bing, bing. So it would be 939.8 times 64. How much is this? It's 60,000, which converts 60.147 kilograms per hour. That's that much stuff is needed. Leaching from the rings of the wall. Well, okay. Is it good or bad? Like, is it part of the cement for the well? I believe it's good. Bad for the. Should be bad, right? $15. Bad. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, it's yeah, rings are made of cement. Okay. Do you think you could do something about it? Like, do you have any sort of idea? Like, you could use some sort of reaction to separate the calcium. I'm just kidding. I don't know exactly how it's done, but it could be possible, if you thought of, if you think, maybe. Yeah, that's the answer. 60 kilograms of calcium carbide per hour. Now, 15 minutes. I did this in 15 minutes. That's good. That's good, though. After a bath, hair becomes dry and brittle. Oh, that's how you know. Okay. Mm-hmm. No? Acid neutralization, carbon dioxide gas, or physical methods like reverse osmosis or water softening. Ah. with acid. Calcium acetate. I believe that is flushing the well sometimes is a solution. Okay. Typically solid. Mhm. Calcium acetate. Okay. Yeah, that is pretty horrible. I think the calcium hydroxide, that issue, I heard someplace else, like the hair getting dry and brittle. Brittle. Maybe my place is also like that because my hair is not doing good. ഞാൻ ChatGPT നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ അത് പറഞ്ഞതാ. Oh, okay. I mean, it's from the cement, okay? So, but from what I've seen, you could use acid to get rid of it. But I don't know how real is that. Realistic is it? But flushing the whole well, I mean, that is also a solution. But the cement is gonna be there. Now for now for what? Part C of example 1. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes. I'm trying to do questions within 15 minutes. Oh, what do you mean error? What do you mean error? Error. What's the question? Assuming a quantitative yield for polymerization of vinyl chloride, calculate the maximum hourly mass of polyvinyl chloride that could be obtained based on the aforementioned hourly vinyl chloride production. Wait. Polymerization will calculate maximum hourly mass of polyvinyl chloride that can be obtained. Uh, I think it's the same, right? I don't know. Oh, there's 4 examples. God damn it. Oh. How much do you have to submit minimum? Dude, I am behind schedule. Mason. Somebody at my door? No. Nobody's at the doors. Do you remember the stone story that we created in school? Stone? Stone. Uh-huh. I don't remember exactly because which one is it? Could you maybe explain? Hmm. It's not somebody, it's a demon calling you. Maybe. Maybe it's a demon. Maybe it's so vinyl chloride, one more, okay. Moles of vinyl chloride, monomer per real that we calculated. What quantitative polymerization means here? It means every mole of vinyl chloride becomes one repeat unit of PVC, no loss. So moles of PVC repeats units equals moles of VCM. So that means the exact, yes, molar mass of PVC repeat unit. Vinyl chloride formula, that's a molar mass. Mass of PVC produced. Number of vinyl chloride times monomer. Molar mass of monomer, okay. Uh, so that's just converting normal vinyl chloride to its mass. Oh, not gonna lie, the headache. Oh. Crakathumb, hardcore study on O. I would say because I wasted the whole day. I should not say this, but I kind of wasted the whole day. I should have been doing this assignment long time ago, but I did not. And look at me at the end. I'm trying to rush at the very end. That's not good. It's not good. Keep it in mind, bro. And I might have to do the presentation on this in front of the class. If I don't know how to say stuff, that's not good. Okay. Where is this mouse? I was looking for how much should you submit minimum procedures exercise. If you already missed 3 exercises, okay, that's okay. I understand. You need at least maximum of 3 exercise classes you may miss. How much questions should I? It's not mentioned here. 13 4 examples exercise you give me. You need to solve at least 50% of the examples in order to allow to be participate in the final exam. If you solve less than 50, okay, so it's 50%. Mm-hmm. I really planned on doing the whole thing. How many students? I'm sorry, I was using another window. That's why I couldn't see the chat. How many students in class? I don't know. How many? 20, 30, 30? I don't know. Yeah, 20, 30. And they're all seniors, so they know much. They know more than me. So I'm gonna look stupid if I don't know how to say. I need to confirm this. Where's DeepSeek? I wanna join our friendship. We should be lovers instead. 55.77. Okay, that I think that is pretty. Oh, goat, tortoise, white horns, goat, tortoise, white horns. Jim Ryder, could you explain what an incarnation is? So it's basically it's a sticker. Oh, you tried to post the sticker, and that's how it came out. Interesting. Like, is it? Can you see the sticker, or is it written as this thing like goat? Okay, okay, it's there. On YouTube chat, you can see the stickers. Okay, okay. But on the screen, what the? എടാ സ്റ്റിക്കർ ഇട്ടാൽ യൂട്യൂബിൽ ഇതിങ്ങനെ വരുന്നത്. Ah, okay. I think it's the first time I'm seeing stickers. I think you, my friend, just used the first sticker feature in the chat. Respect. So it's basically Moine latency super. Okay, I'll be honest, okay? I'm gonna be honest right now. And I think I should use. So if I have to get faster latency, I have to prepare the stream. There are some steps to do to get the faster latency. So person tortoise waving. I'm guessing that's a sticker. Okay, so if I need to get the ultra fast latency, I have to do some stuff before I start the stream. And the bad side of that is the stream quality is going to be low. But I don't care about the stream quality, but I have to, every stream, I have to do a set of procedure to get the super fast latency. And maybe you could say I am a bit lazy to do that. But I'll figure it out, bro. I'll figure it out. Polymerization is a quantitative. So no hydrogen or hydroxide lost during polymerization. Each phenyl chloride molecule has carbon to carbon double bond. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So how do I start writing this? Polymerization are usually of two types: condensation, polymerization, and come on, fast, 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 do it, fast, fast, fast. Think, think, think. The hair, fucking hair. The hair is annoying. Oh, brother, the hair is annoying. Mm, condensation, polymerization. Addition, polymerization. Oh, it's 15 minutes? Come on. Small molecules release. No molecules for now. No such are released. Here. Crakathumb. How's the new Throne Legacy movie? I haven't seen it. But I should not say my opinion. I heard Jared Leto is in the movie. And I heard that that guy is pretty stupid. But according to the reviews, it is visually really good. It's gonna give cyberpunk. Me too. You haven't seen the film. Mm-hmm. But yeah, I heard the music and the visual is amazing. the double bond. The Gym Raider. Have you seen the new Jurassic Park? That was the last movie I've seen. Crakathumb, how's the new Avatar movie? Not gonna lie, I haven't seen that. The only movie that I've recently seen was Jurassic Park, and I gotta say, was they had a good point on the movie, but other than that, it's okay. Why are no longer hydrogen? Okay, so therefore, so after explaining the polymerization, I could just write the quantitative yield of PVC is equal to the vinyl chloride. Yes, Carl. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. The latency is so slow, but yeah, Scarlett Johansson is in it. She was okay, but yeah, I expected something big. You know, something that she's like, oh, that shit's bad. You know, I expected to see some really fucked up stuff in the movie, but it's nowhere close. And the dinosaurs they were just showpiece. They were not dinosaurs. They were not wild animals. Since the polymerization, since the polymerization of vinyl chloride is addition polymerization, no atoms are lost. Therefore, mass of PVC per hour equals. Mhm. CH2C CH2H3CO. Oh. 892.62. Fix the sticker thing. Do you really think I know how to fix it? Bro, I'm actually glad that it works. So I don't know how to fix it. Maybe there would be some options where uh, bot reply commands embed in the stream appearance show avatars. Nah, at least I'm not seeing those options in the restream settings. Okay, that's 56 kilograms per hour. That's the first question. God damn, that's. It took me a while. Yeah, you are the coding king. Bro, stop doing that, bro. Yeah, I'll look into it. I need to see, you know? It's not something you can't fix. It should be fixable. Example 2. Come on, fast. In the coding king. All that. Bro, those who use ChatGPT to code, they are mid. They're mid. They don't know what's happening. So, yeah. But you could learn. You could get better, but you know, at first, those who just copy paste from ChatGPT, it's not that hard. At 500 degrees Celsius, 93.2 kilopascal, the density of sulfur vapor is. Deduce the chemical formula of the sulfur molecules under these conditions. What are those? My head hurts. I should have gotten enough sleep. What else? What time is the class tomorrow? Coos. Timetable. 9:15. Okay. Among Us Kalikimosar. I mean, Among Us. I haven't. I played the game what once or twice. I haven't played the game that much. But oh, I think I could show you, right? I bought a new game. I shouldn't be showing this in my YouTube channel, but you know, fuck it. To supply the necessary fresh air for a coal-fired heating system, a chimney is designed. Where is steam? Chimney is designed the mean barometric. Oh, Sleeping Dogs. I heard this. I know this game. It's an amazing game, and I really want to play it, but I'm not getting enough time. That's the problem. If you don't manage your shit, you don't get enough time. Then, Lies of P, the daily games. Chimney needs to be designed a mean barometric pressure of 722 and outside temperature is 15. The flue gas have a temperature the following composition of in volume percentage: carbon dioxide, water, sulfur dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. What height must the chimney have in order to generate pressure? I did not understand the question actually. What is flue gas? Physical idea. The draft pressure is caused by density difference between a column of outside air and a column of hot flue gas. Hydrostatic balance given. Wait. Find the chimney height required to produce flue gas composition. Okay. Oh. Mm, nitrogen. Okay, it's mainly nitrogen. Required draft pressure. Ghost of Yote എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? I haven't played the game. I mean, of course, it's gonna look good, right? I heard it's really good, but it was one. It does not run in this system. Two, I don't have the money to buy the game. Physical idea. The draft pressure difference is caused by the density difference between a column of outside air and a column of hot flue gas. Hydrostatic balance gives sulfur height. We got the densities. Convert. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I need to. The draft pressure is caused by. Okay, can you explain the question to me in this much simpler terms? Because I haven't understood the question yet. You are asked to design a chimney for coal-fired heater. The chimney must supply fresh air to the furnace. Chimney must supply. Okay. Automatically, how do chimneys supply air? Hot flue gas inside the chimney are less dense than outside cold air. This creates pressure difference that naturally pulls fresh air into the furnace. The question is how tall the chimney must be so that the pressure difference is enough to generate a draft of 1 torr. Oh, so is the flue gas always going to be up there? I uh, so the flue gas is just be there to create that pressure difference. It's not gonna wash away or flow with the outside air or something. The flue gas stayed inside the chimney. It does not mix with outside air. Its role is to create a lower density column inside the chimney. Because hot flue gas is lighter than outside air, the weight of the outside air column. The difference is column weight produced a pressure difference. Imagine it like a hot, like balloon hot gas inside a tube. Outside air pushes in because hot balloon column is lighter. എടാ മിനി മിൽഷ്യ കളിക്കുന്നോ? No, I don't think so. I mean, I don't have mini miltia with me right now. Do you still play mini miltia? I do remember the game. Mm, Uh, so it just keeps on working, pulling air like a vacuum cleaner. I didn't get that. The chimney does not push air by itself. It simply allows hot gases to rise and the outside air moves in to... Oh! The hot flue gas... This only exists when burning not like a trapped gas up there. They are not pre-existing or trapped in the chimney as the coal burns. Ah, okay, I get it. Okay, I think I should draw a structure. How do I draw the structure for this? Like to draw a figure to visualize this, and don't draw or make a figure. I don't want to lose access to this chat right now. So I'll ask the necessary questions for making the figure. So the upward air arrow shows inside the chimney, shows hot flue gas rising. Downward arrow shows the furnace inlet, show fresh outside air being pulled in. And hot flue gases inside the chimney. Cold outside air, denser. So, could you help me equate the height in the figure? Like, could you show the height and pressure James versus Ghost Rider. That would be a banger. That's a banger. Ayo, that was some good old times, bro. James. James. A lot of people might think it's James Bond. No, this is another James. Yes, you can definitely show the height pressure difference in the figure itself. Here's a step-by-step guide for how to represent it clearly without making it too complicated. Draw a small vertical arrow inside this chimney labeled P out, barometric pressure. So the internal pressure is lower compared to external, which results in the gas to go flow in. I'll be right back. What are we doing? So how do you draw this? Crakathumb, what did you eat today? The whole day. Well, you gotta hear this. Rice, fish, eggs, chicken. Hell yeah, two or three times a day. I don't know the exact amount of rice, but a plate. And I'm practicing every day to cook this rice, eggs, fish faster. Every day, fast, 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 fast. How do I visualize this? So my another for the chimney diagram. The flue gas. Would it go and stick to a roof? And would the cold air from the outside gets in through a hole same height as the roof where the flue gas is, or would it What about you, Jim Ryder? What did you eat the whole day? Eggs, rice, chicken? What does your diet looks like? I can't just trust ChatGPT on this. I would like to get the chimney diagram. Ah, so this is where the damper. Oh, interesting. Flashing roof line cap. Oh, chimney airflow. Oh, no, that's not what I was looking for. It's not simple enough. Hmm. Now, what does ChatGPT say? The official item, Undertale. Oh, that's a new person. Are you still here? The official item, Timmy. Are you still here? I guess the official item just left. Okay, so the height. I have to stop at 2. I have to stop at 9 o'clock. James and Elon combo was a banger. James and Elon, yeah, it's gonna be a banger. This James is just, I don't know how's it doing, bro. I think it's a designer now. Oh, if you see this, yeah, I did not mean this just in a bad way. I don't know what do you do, man. But that would go hard. Elon James. Elon James. I'm still thinking how can I show the pressure in the chimney in the diagram? Where does these pressure values stay? So I'm gonna make a figure of a really simple simple chimney, and the pressure like outside is gonna have so pressure at the bottom is low. Did I say that? No, outside. Okay, it was the opposite. Lower pressure, so it was the opposite. Okay, let me draw this. Let me draw this. What will be your three wishes if you got the lamp from Aladdin? Oh, I mean, if I'm being realistic, that's gonna be a pretty hard question, you know. Three wishes. Hmm. I would say one would be conquer the sun. Not conquer. If you have to understand how to properly utilize the sun. I wouldn't say conquer. That's a pretty, it's not a good word. You have to understand how the sun works. Exactly. What else? Maybe, find out how black holes or worm how to create the wormhole. How easy it is or how hard it is. The last one. I don't know, a lot of stuff. Three wishes is not enough. Let's just say the last thing would be, I don't know if I should say this. I would like to know how things work in general, I don't know how to say this. I would like to see the perspective of the whole thing in general, life in general. Look to see why it happens. I don't know, three wishes, it's not enough. I'll tell you that. Whoa. How is this diagram gonna look like? P outside, P inside. Light air. Oh, what the? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. P outside. Push us in. Crakathumb, you got the no, bro. Ability to time travel, but each time you do, you get older by 5 years. Will you do it? Yep. But you gotta understand. At least that's what I think. You can go like you can go really far in time, right? Oh no, that still don't make sense. Even if you're able to go in the future, you still don't know if humanity exists or not. Mhm. You'll never know what's gonna get. After second thought, I would say I wouldn't. Because I don't know how it's gonna be in the future. I could go to the past, but past, past is good. But if I'm interested, it's gonna be the future, and future is not predictable. So no. Again, after second thought, I would say yes. Yes to the question. Don't ask me why, but yes. I don't care if I lose 5 years, because you're gonna die anyway. Or are you? Are you gonna die? So air from the outside pushes in due to the pressure difference. Caused by the hot flue gas. Oh, what are these songs, bro? What the- Oh, I was trying to play music. Yes. Now, how is the equation? What are the numbers? What the values? Change in pressure is GH. What are these? It's caused by the density difference between a column of inside air and column of the outside air and column of the hot hydrostatic balance gives solve for height h. Okay, that's the formula. Mm-hmm. We get the densities from the ideal gas law, where m dash is the average molar mass. Mm-hmm. Die sind. What is G? It's a gravitational constant? I don't think so. Convert SI Torr to Pascal. Oh, it's a gravitational constant. Crakathumb, you got the ability to teleport, and which are the places you will visit? A lot of places, right? And if I could, I would visit places in the universe that is similar to Earth, or where you can breathe oxygen. I'll teleport to anywhere that I can breathe. From outside air, ooh, that's a lot of fucking calculations. Calculations. Damn, you just got the answer 37? Oh, yeah. So, what did you do, DeepSeek? The required pressure difference is 1 torr. The pressure difference. Oh, okay, okay. No, the keyboard is having lower battery. Average molar mass of flue gas. How do you calculate the average molar mass? 0.994? What? Oh, molar mass into, okay. So that's how you get gram per mole, molar mass. I'm just gonna copy paste this. Oh, not gonna lie, I am really tired. What the At 500 degrees Celsius, the density of sulfur vapor. How long is this answer? Oh, that is really straightforward. Crakathumb, play Sekiro. Crakathumb, play God of War. When I get the machine, when I get my Linux machine, I will, brother. I will. You bet your sweet ass I will. T out. 15 degrees Celsius. Tweeted. 288 Kelvin. Flue gas. Crackathon, good night, good night, good night. Good night to you, my friend Jim Ryder. I really appreciate you for checking out the stream. Respect. Oh, respect, my friend, respect. What kind of bullshit song is this? H2O. So 2.14. O2 7.34. And 2 73.95. $64. 28. Gram per mole. Why do you have to do it in kilogram? Because that's what you want. Why are we doing it in kilogram? $2.91. Kilogram per mole. Ideal gas law. Density equals pressure times molar mass by RT. Nine 0.8 Pascal. What is this hair? What is this? R is one point. Flue gas, density of flue gas. What? Oh, the temperature, that's the difference. 423. Clonopin Commander. Hey yo, what's up? And I was pretty I came up I continued the assignment pretty late, but I gotta say I should have done this long time ago. How you doing? How you feeling, bro? After the clono pin? Better. I'm happy to hear that, bro. I'm happy to hear that. And I gotta say, I'm really having a bad headache. Oh. I'm having a bad headache that I don't even want to do the calculation. I just want to copy it straight out of the AI. And that is not good. I believe Thor. Uh, what else? What else? GH by rho air minus rho flu. Gravitational. Also, what is this equation? Hydrostatic equation, okay. From this, we equate delta P No, I'm not gonna wait. $9.81. Oh, that took a long time, bro. Oh. I could do the third one. I don't want to miss it. Come on, you can do it. Sulfur vapor formula. Ideal gas law density equals. And you have to calculate. Deduce the chemical formula of sulfur molecules under these conditions. Ah, that's an interesting question. At 500 degrees Celsius at 9 kilopascal, the density of sulfur vapor is at 37. That's the density. Deduce the chemical formula. Okay. Sulfur vapor formula. Let's start with the time because that helped me understand the question much better. Temperature equals 500 degrees Celsius. That is insane temperature. 773.15 Kelvin. Oh, I don't have to write the 0.15. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Pressure. 93.2 kilopascal. Density equals Density equals the ideal gas I knew was PV equals nRT. Oh, okay, so okay, it's derived. Okay, okay. So rearrange. Molar mass is equal to density times universal gas constant temperature by pressure. 8.314, 733.15, 773, 93.2, 10 raised to 3. It's approximately 256.1 gram per mole. Thirty-two gram per mole. Number of atoms per molecule. Oh, that's molar mass by where is ChatGPT? Okay. Like, could you explain the number of atoms per molecule formula? ChatGPT is doing its own calculations. Okay. Because molar mass tells you how heavy one molecule is, and atomic mass tells you how heavy. Oh, now we're getting the number of sulfur atoms combined to form one molecule. Molar mass divided by atomic mass. Now, what is atomic mass? That's for one sulfur atom. Molar mass, that's the mass of the molecule. Number of sulfur atoms involved. N equals 256. 8. Therefore, 8 is 8. That's it for me. That's it from my side. Oh. You know what, people? I'll show you the final touch of how the assignment is. I did 3 examples, yeah. No, where is my symbol? Oh, I think, yeah, that's it. I was just trying to, I was just trying to show off, people. So, how do I share? How do I paste? Is there any? Mm, PDF, right? There should be a print option. What? Mm-hmm. Save the files. Okay. Okay, I submitted it. God damn it. Yes. I did one, two, three. Save submission. Tendons exercise. No, I don't, I'm attending the course, like. So, 9:15 tomorrow. Yes. I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Oh, my head is fucking burning. Well, YouTube. I guess that's it for today. I really appreciate this, people. Peace out.